to do a series of watercolor swatches in my nature journal featuring different crystals. This one is citrine, and so today I'm going to try to color match this color. It's very close to Quinacridone Gold in Daniel Smith, but I believe I'm also going to be adding some cadmium yellow medium hue. Yes, just a touch of that cadmium yellow adds that translucent glow to it. And that's all I'm doing for today's watercolor swatch. This is a daily art practice and year-long nature journal that started with a nature journal challenge that's listed in the description of this video. My name is Kathleen Arola-Johnson. I'm here at Creative Solace Studios. Thanks so much for subscribing to Nature Journal, Art Journal, and mixed media art making extravaganza projects. Welcome.